Hey, I'm Abbie with Boulevard Home. Today we're going to be continuing our vegetarian recipes on the Traeger. Today we're going to be making a super easy and super yummy recipe, red potatoes that are grilled and skewered. This recipe is fairly quick. You just need about 10 minutes to prepare, and then you cook on the one side for 4 minutes, and then you flip it and cook on the other side for 7 minutes. First, you're gonna wash and half your potatoes, stab them a little bit so that all the heat can go through all the way. Then you're gonna toss in a large bowl with olive oil, salt and pepper, rosemary, and garlic. Now that our potatoes are ready to go, we're gonna toss them, throw them in the microwave for 4 minutes, toss them again, and put them in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then put them on the Traeger. Now that we have our microwaved potatoes, we're going to take our skewers, and you have to make sure to soak your skewers so that there's not any little splinters, and also so they don't catch on fire. So you're going to take your skewers and you're going to take your potatoes. If your potatoes are too hot like mine are, you can take your tongs and you can use those to skewer the potatoes. So our Traeger has been preheating for 15 minutes on 450. This Traeger doesn't have 450 on its temperature gauge, so we just put it at high. So we're just gonna put these on right now. You're gonna cook them on this downside for 4 minutes, and then we'll flip them and cook them on the other side for 7 minutes. So our potatoes have been cooking for 7 minutes on the skin side, so we're gonna pull them out. Now for the finishing touches, we're gonna add my favorite, some Parmesan cheese. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment below if you have any Traeger recipe requests. Thanks for watching.